Today I'm going to review what a Blackstone Griddle looks like after a year of continuous use. Join me, won't you? Unlike a lot of Blackstone Griddle reviews, this one is going to show you what it looks like a year later. So we're going to hit 4 different areas. We're going to hit appearance, price and value, build quality, and usability. The appearance of a Blackstone Griddle to me, and this may be a completely biased in my own opinion, but I think they make some beautiful griddles. I love the orange highlights on the black. I think whoever designed the Blackstone Griddle's logo, graphics, everything, the marketing ability is great on a Blackstone. They look sharp to me. I also like the simple, clean design of the Blackstone Griddle. The Blackstone Griddle is very simple. There's nothing complicated. I love all the stuff from the tank holders to the paper towel holder. There is an issue with a paper towel holder, but we'll get to that later. Some of the cons are that after you've had the griddle for some time, some of the things start to deteriorate, especially if you haven't covered it. I cover mine, but I found that there was a small hole in my griddle cover, and right where that hole was, I started to develop a rust spot. So just keep an eye on that. You want to attack that stuff before it gets out of hand. So the number 2 thing is price and value. Price and value, you know, you're looking at a sub $400 griddle, and pretty much any grill or griddle in that price range is going to have some sort of flaws. It's going to have some sort of thing that they had to cut corners on. And it's no different with the Blackstone Griddle. Pros. The pros and the price and the value, number 1 is price, obviously. Price, it's a great price. I mean, even at $350 for a 36-inch griddle, that's great. Second pro is that you can cook for a ton of people. You can cook for a crowd of 10 or 20 people. Easy. Maybe not that many, but you can cook for a lot of people on that. You would be hard stretched to cook on a grill unless you had a huge grill, which would cost you a lot more than a Blackstone Griddle. So the other thing that you can do on the Blackstone Griddle is you can cook your entire meal on your Blackstone Griddle. You can cook everything. There are certain techniques and procedures that you need to follow when you're cooking things, such as using a cover to steam certain things so that they cook at the same times as some of the other things. And we'll have some videos for that in the future on different types of recipes and those kind of things. The best, absolute best thing is that my wife loves when I don't have to dirty the kitchen at all. I just go outside, cut everything up, put everything on the griddle, and cook it all at once. Great pros. Number 3, the build quality, or what to watch out for after you've had your griddle for a year. The pros of this thing are that the top is incredible. This thing is made of super heavy steel. On the 36-inch griddle, you should have 2 people to lift this top off. I've done it by myself, and being an older guy, that didn't do too well with my lower back. Fortunately for me, I didn't do any serious damage. That top is incredible. That thing probably will last decades as long as you take care of it. First con with the Blackstone Griddle is that the paint on the frame is subpar. And I don't know if it's just because of the high heat from the grill, but as you can see here, the inside of this, I took the top off of my griddle here not too long ago, and I was surprised to find that the paint had curled off of the griddle. I'm gonna scrape all that off, sand it down, resurface it with some of the high temp paint, and see how that goes. Had I not checked, I would have, I would have had it would have rusted through, and then I would have ended up having to throw it out. I don't like to throw things out. I like to keep them as long as I can. I'm thrifty like that. So the other con of this is that the igniters, and this is really like a lot of sub $400 griddles, and even some of the higher priced ones, the igniters, they do wear out, and sometimes they're not actually placed in the right spot for the burner. So sometimes you have to go in there and fiddle with the igniter prong that comes off. And I'll show you how to do that in this video here. very simple. You just got to take the top off. Like I said, if you have a large griddle, then you're going to want to have 2 people to take that top off and set it aside. Overall, this is a great griddle. So what we're going to go through is we're going to go through appearance, price and value. Okay. Appearance. So we're going to go and... I don't think my finger straightens out. Appearance. Build quality, build quality, build quality. Easy it is to use the griddle. That's so much stuff. We're gonna hit on 4 different sections. One's appearance, price and value, build quality, and usability. I need a teleprompter.